Hello there. So what is in my mind is that right now you are looking at one of the homework handout I give to my students. So when the application opens from iPad, I want them to see the whole page and they can make it bigger for question. Let's talk about number 7. For question number 7, so they can make this bigger using their iPad screen, and and then of course I want them, if they want to work on this question, let's say from left to right, they will use their finger to slide, and then let's see, they will have a notebook. So from this notebook, using their pens, and I would like them to work on the question, of course. So this question, they need to write down c square. So I am planning to provide each of my students a special pen stylus to use with the iPad. So they will see the question, they will write down the process. C square equals a square plus b square, and in this case c is x, square equals a is, let's say, 4 square plus 8 square, and they will write down. So I am still working on one single question. This is question number 7. Equals 4 square is 16 and 8 square is 64. Put them together, x square will be 80, and you take the square root of both sides, and x becomes 7.9, I guess, 7.9. They have to round up this number. So student will do this work, and let's say at the corner, okay, submit button. So there will be a submit button like that, and student will go here, and using the keyboard from the iPad, student will write down 7.9, and then student will click on submit button, and that's it for question number 7. Immediately this student will get check mark, and if anything wrong, they will do before the check mark, they will get the cross mark, and if they did one more wrong submit answer, they will get 2 cross marks. So but once it is green, question 7 is done, student can move on to any question. But this is what the homework will be about, and I, as a teacher, at the end, I just want to see if all the 45 questions here, all of them, there are 12 questions on the first page and 23 questions on the second page, and if they answer all of them correctly, I am fine. And all I want to know is how many times the student try to get it right, and for that maybe I will be interested in, I will click on question number 7 and see this screen in front of me, see the student's work, what student has done to get this question right or wrong. So that's all the purpose is about. And as a teacher, I will upload this PDF form, and question number 1 has a different answer. To answer question number 1, they have to do the calculation, of course. Of course, I have to see this, but the answer is not just one number. The answer is, yes, it is a right triangle. They have to exactly give this or not. No, they don't. As long as I have the word yes, as long as I have the word right triangle, I am fine. They can write down, yes, I find out I am looking at a right triangle. They can write down this because all I am looking at, yes, right triangle. Those are the key words, and if they submit these two words in their answer, they should get a check mark. If not, they should get a cross line, of course, and until they get the check mark. So each question is different, but this is the purpose of it. Once I receive, I know the student has done the homework and we can move on.